I was kind of wanting to do this. I already have a very minimal amount of makeup on. This is really pretty. When I saw this pretty color right here, I keep noticing that my face is getting yellow and then light yellow. One of the lights broke on here, so I don't know if that's the reason. And I maybe the light is hitting from back there. There's been a lot of light coming in from behind me, so I don't know if that's the what's going on there, but you know. But anyway, I thought of this pretty color from Ben Nye. That is such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And let me see, is the name there? That color is called Strauss Wine. Such a pretty color. Alright, I don't know if this has enough water on it. If you don't put enough water on it, it could crack. But let's see. Look how pretty. Isn't that pretty? I didn't do the usual priming and all of that, because I was just kind of quickly doing a 15-minute makeup. Yeah, I did a video once on. So I did a video years ago, probably about 8 years ago, because I've been on YouTube for I don't know how long now, like 9, on how I do my quick 5-minute makeup. I think my 30-minute makeup. My regular makeup takes me an hour. But anyway, that's why I did like my 15-20 minute makeup, quick makeup this morning. So I don't have the usual problems. Just trying to put on a little bit of makeup before I had to go out. So hopefully this will take well. I'm sorry that the dishwasher's on, but we've been out every day and the dishes were just piled up. We needed to get that done. And that is a gorgeous color. This is I Am Feeling Retro. And in a way it is retro, because in the 80s they had a lot of duochrome. Which, by the way, I found out that WetnWild, their spring collection is going to be holographic. So let me put that pretty duochrome-y, purpley, pinkish, purplified, bluish duochrome shadow on. Using that teal color. That is pretty. That is really nice. I felt so bad that I woke up my daughter because she likes to come with me so she's not bored at home. I mean, she keeps busy, but she likes to go out with me, hang out. She's like my companion. I felt so bad. I said, I'll take you out for breakfast. And she's not feeling good. The doctor had her on some medications for her tonsils. Well, no. She said she's got really bad heartburn, but she said the heartburn meds make her nauseous. And this morning she woke up, she said she's been nauseous all night. That is so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. See, makeup makes me happy. I think I'm gonna do my Urban Decay. And I don't know the name because it kind of came off, but it's, I broke these open and wet them. And I can't remember the name of this one. Let's put a little squirt on my primer. Oh my goodness, I was so tempted. MAC did coconut, which I love coconut, and rose water of those. And I think a lavender, I'm not sure. I keep this in I keep it like in a little Tupperware. And then when I'm ready to use them, I just spray them. But yeah, I was so tempted to get it, but the cheaper route is, I don't know if you know this, but you get these Bausch & Lomb eye, you know what you keep your contacts in? So much cheaper than getting that. And just put a kind of just as well. And I use that as drops and stuff. But I'm just trying to finish what I have here. Alright, here it goes. This is more of a teal green. Has more green in it, but the top one, I don't know. I'm not sure if it has more blue in it or not. Because it's not quite matching. So, I'll probably go with black mascara. I think I have teal mascara, but I'll probably go with, if I do, I don't see it here though. So I think I might have it in my stash, but I don't want to look for it. So I'll probably just do black. And I will finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. Did you see how my disposition changed once I started playing with my makeup? I really, really love this I'm Feeling Retro palette. I'm wondering if it would look just as nice the other way around by wearing the crease color on the lid and this in the crease. Underneath my eyes, I used my Revlon Teal Flash and the Urban Decay Asphyxia. I just used the regular blush I was using this morning. I don't even remember what I was using. I don't have lipstick on because people were requesting that I do this color charge. So I'm gonna see. It's really flaky. It made like a mess. But I want to try that purple. So